The Jaintia Students Union has sought the intervention of both the Government of Meghalaya and the Union Government on a set of issues that, it said, are crucial for ensuring equitable development, cultural preservation and greater autonomy for the Jaintia Hills. In a memorandum, the JSU urged upon the state government to consider declaring Jowai as the summer capital of Meghalaya, complementing ongoing discussions regarding Tura as a potential winter capital. The union stated that such a move would not only recognize Jowai'S historical legacy but also address developmental disparities within the state. The JSU recalled that the Jaintia Kings had maintained Nartyang as their summer capital and Jaintiapur as their winter capital, which it argued strengthens the case for Jowai to be considered for seasonal governance. The union also pointed out that Jowai already hosts a mini secretariat, making it administratively capable of accommodating additional government functions. Highlighting developmental challenges in the region, the JSU observed that the Jaintia Hills continues to lag in sectors such as education, healthcare and connectivity, despite its significant contributions through resources like coal and limestone. It noted that Jowai has only one major higher educational institution, the Kiangnangba Government College, and limited health facilities. According to the memorandum, granting Jowai summer capital status would encourage investments, improve accessibility in eastern Meghalaya, and contribute to balanced development. The union further stressed that the recognition of Jowai alongside Shillong and Tura would ensure fair representation for the Pnar, War, Bhoi and other subtribes of the Nyotrep community. It added that such recognition would also help reduce administrative centralization in Shillong and promote tribal unity. In addition, the JSU stated that Jowai'S elevation would boost cultural and tourism potential, citing the annual Bedding Clump Festival as a key attraction that reflects the identity of the Pnar community. Apart from the capital demand, the JSU reiterated its call for the implementation of the inner line permit in Meghalaya. It referred to the resolution passed by the State Assembly on the 19th of December 2019, which is still pending action at the central level. The union maintained that the ILP, which is operational in other northeastern states such as Arunachal Pradesh, is necessary to regulate the influx of outsiders and safeguard the rights, land and cultural heritage of indigenous communities in Meghalaya. The Jaintia Students Union also requested a review of the Instrument of Accession signed in 1947-48, arguing that it is important to reaffirm the autonomy and protections provided to tribal communities under the 6th Schedule. Although the Jaintia Kingdom was annexed by the British in 1835 and did not directly sign the Instrument of Accession, the Union asserted that the traditional chieftaincies in the region should be included under its protective framework. In its appeal, the Jaintia Students Union urged upon both the state and central governments to take timely measures to address these demands, stressing that they are vital to ensuring inclusive growth, safeguarding indigenous rights, and preserving the distinct cultural identity of the Jaintia Hills.
Jaintia Student Union la yo appointment man kendo yo governor ang ko Raja Bahawan ke jingendo jongi ta yo governor ka long agila alor kilai tli kimat kimangin ga leang jongi ipensinya yo governor ini kimat kilong kumne kemat penekong ngi keren gede ba pelong ya ke Jowai kom ke summer capital jong state ai ki bentar ne kita kimat bangi ya keren mentar ke sengi galong ba ikwa ban tips baik ba nadu bayo ya ke state ka arhoi terik namna dai spanya ko ar mungkin mau baik nadu kita por idon baik tangilai teli jai bendrem nadu bekasi Jaintia Badgaro hade nang tu ikwa aro ban pentip kejingdon jong gini gelai teli pelong ya ke state jong ni mentar skawai ke bentaro ke bangi kwa manpelong ya Jowai kum ke Somar capital kedai baik bangi mau ba ke Jaintia kedai ke first district apa ke state jong ni aka arko arterik ubenai February kat pendai spanya po arngi yo iga district Jaintia Jowai ke dei ke district ke Bandung Jowai ke dei ke headquarter Bandung jong apo district Jaintia skowai ke bentaru ngi perkat ba ni don ya ke Jowai autonomous district council ndo kandai spa Andrew Bosau ke Jowai subdivision ru ke dei ke wai ngi benta ke dei ke wai ngi division ke Bandung apo United Kasi Jaintia district halor kini gimat isnyau ba ada ke Garo Idowa banyo ego winter capital ni ru inong Jaintia ngi don ga banyo ego summer capital ini gimat kelong bakmat ngi kendu yau governor menta kasni skawai ga benta balengi dawa ban pelong ego Jowai kum ga summer capital da dipai na po sa tay tanap tatain Jaintia ngi pai ha liang ga jingnang jing start bidang duna ba tang ko boy ga government college apo kyang nang ba idon kini ga kyang nang ba government college itip adu arspa lai spa no ki kena idang sok kelas go ke government college hoi idon ke jing dawaru ban penyo government college support is Jaintia adu menta neliang ke government kampat ai kata ngi pai hagi health sector idang duna ki hospital idang duna ki facilities idang duna ki wei department ke dei bandon hospital ibri jongi hab ban lai chuduk shlong go tinis ki wei ban lai sungar no mangim don kita ki special liti babiang ngimdon kita ki equipments ki babiang apo ke Jaintia apo Jaintia te bangi pelong ingi bandawa de gini ki benta bangi kwa bayan galiang juga sorkar lada ka ai ke Garo banlong kum winter capital ngiru idon hak banyo ega summer capital ke Jaintia ngan itu ifi adu menta ni contribute kum balait 5% si state economy ke Jaintia ke de ke jaka ka pemi adu nyau 5% udah yang habagari jongi na po jatai sa Jaintia ka contribute sibo ni ka sorkar jongi balepat ki development sudah ibat ba sa po Garo dan is po Kasi tingiro ngi snyaw balaga sorkar ka de kamdai ban nyaw silang kamat alor kini kimat atay ka de ko benta ka mi kren bad governor menta ka singi kamat ka bar ngi mai kren menta bad governor ka de ka ILP ngitip ba haga kat kendai turik di sumar arjar kandai sorkar Meghalaya kala apa sih resolution ban penyo ILP apo ke state ndai hado mentang itu bagai ILP kadang ne bai apo central approval dang don bai apo Delhi ipai gi state di neighboring state ngila bangga Arunachal Pradesh Nagaland Mizoram Manipur kilayo ILP eg baji apo asam mentang ka don ga eviction drive abagi ne gi bar jalla ki bari ngila manggi immigrants ila don hado life sau pe wajar ngut illegal immigrants iting sar ba mentakin rungno segani garibe i jongi ngin sa syak terlep kum gi minority sang ni KLP kan dai ko wei ni ikhtiar bangila ban identify gini gi bro tim kita ngila soto ngila kren bat governor bangi don kam ILP ba hado menta skowai ga bentang kren yo bat governor menta ka singi ga dai ka IOA instrument of accession kabalaya soy na do bayo like lu kiri India pedang ke sorkar India bat ki atusan teng ngut kisim na po rikasi kamdon ke jing tho ko ba sai dan ni kamdon ke profado kanu ki nong Jaintia ge don lang ha kata ga IOA ndrai ki don mulum la jing tho ba it extend up to Jaintia Hills don ke jing tho ba kala ki don kila pan don katto ani ngut po Jaintia bayo don lang ha kata ga instrument of accession tengi kan maru ba yak instrument of accession la saya khatnya trip August kat ndai spa sau bra te ka ega bangi ko yakran halor gani ni sutu bag instrument of accession ka ai ke ni ga bor ye garila jong ni ban yadai kandeu siap riti senchar hagan ni gari be e jongi to dingi phai po Nagaland menta Nagaland ila de revisit ye gani ga ayo menta la yo ye article 371 ni ka ju ngi do waru ga rila be e jongi namar mentang yo influx yo bopon bangila sa lai bang ila do hok sisa wat ga yo kam yo jam wat ku bon ki benta ini ki mat ngila keren ha gi singi dai menta gi kenduk sungi batu governor